Hey, welcome back YouTube universe. It's me, E.T. Clark. I want you guys to remember one thing. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about stock and financial literacy. Now, today's video is a dividend quickie. And the whole purpose of these quickies is to really get to the meat of talking about a company that I currently invest in. I'm a stakeholder in. And today's video is about Prospect Capital, which is a true passive dividend play. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, let's do this. Let's hit the highlights. Prospect Capital Corporation is a BDC company, business development company. Bottom line, what they do is they lend money to private mid-sized companies. Companies can use that money for their operations however they want to use it, but that's what they do, primarily lend money to them. This here, Prospect Capital, if you're interested in this stock, it is 100% an income play. All right, you're using this for the income that it's going to give you. Currently, it's at the yield is at 8.85, which is a very, very good yield. It pays monthly, and it pays $6 cents per share per month. And it's been doing that as long as I've had it. I've had it now for about a year. But the 6 cents per month per share is they've been doing that since 2018. Prior to that, it was actually more, but at that point, the price of the stock was actually higher. All right, the current price of the stock is $8.08 per share. The size, this is a small cap company. They're at $3.1 billion, which makes it a small cap company. Currently, it is at a 10% discount of the NAV, the net asset value. The net asset value is saying that this company should be trading at $8.96. It's at $8.08. This is something that I found very, very interesting, and that was that the total liabilities that they have is $2.2 billion. That's less than the total assets of $5.7 billion. All right, something to keep in mind. 27% of the insiders own the stock. And that should be an R right there, insider ownership. All right, and one other key thing here is that this company is optionable. We'll talk about that in just a second. Let's go over some of the cons and my position within the company. Two cons that I came up with. It's interest rate sensitive. Anytime you're dealing with loaning money, regardless of which end of the transaction you're on, interest rates are going to be key to the success and the continued growth of the company. But with this company, it's a low growth company. You're not investing in Prospect Capital for growth. You're investing in it for income. Now, my position, currently I have 1,097 shares. I've been in the position now for about a year. My cost basis is $5.92. Then I really started to accumulate more shares quite naturally, you know, in March and April of 2020. We all knows what happened there. Now, my yield on my cost basis is actually 12%. And the reason why, as you know, as the price of a company goes up, the yield goes down if they keep it the same. And it's the opposite also happens. If the stock starts to go down, the yield goes up. So my yield is actually 12%. I have it in my Roth IRA account. I highly recommend that if you do any type of income play, looking for dividends and so forth, do it either in a Roth, which is tax-free, or some type of tax-deferred accounts like a traditional IRA. I have mine set up on a DRIP, a dividend reinvestment program. That basically means once they pay out the dividend, it automatically reinvests and buy more of the stock. Year to date, my dividend paid out is $245.34. My dog there, you gotta excuse me. $245.34. But I also, the reason why I said this is key, I also sell options on the positions that I have. And I've sold thus far and received $497.37 in option fees. So that gave me a total for dividends received and options sold, gave me a total of $742.64 of what I made from Prospect Capital just this year, 2021. And right now, today's date, we're looking at, today is the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. All right, those are the highlights for Prospect Capital. I am going to have a follow-up video that I highly encourage you that you check out. Within this follow-up video, I'll go over the website. We'll talk about the dividend and the price history, and also go over a little bit more details in the financials. So with that being said, guys, remember, hopefully we got there. Save, invest, and always apply what you know, because knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge is power. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks.